Apple CarPlay works seamlessly with your Mini. You need the optional equipment Apple CarPlay preparation, so you can present content from your iPhone in your vehicle. Displaying the icons on the control display permits intuitive control. Sweet. Set up your connection. It's so easy. Go to My Mini, System Settings, Mobile Devices, and press Connect New Device for Apple CarPlay. And do not forget to confirm. Turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone. Select the vehicle with the corresponding number. And see if the subsequent number is shown on your iPhone. Want the best experience? Allow the synchronization of your phone book. Done. A Wi-Fi connection is established, necessary to use Apple CarPlay. Let's activate Siri on your paired iPhone. Long press the voice control on the steering wheel.
Hey Siri, set up a meeting for tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock.
Your meeting is scheduled for tomorrow from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock.
So far so good. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.